Now we're gonna connect the weight distribution bars. The same operation that I'm gonna show here needs to be conducted on both sides of the trailer hitch. The first step is to handle the weight distribution bar. It's a little bit sandy, and you put it inside the compartment where it's locked. In here you will see that you have a safe that you need to pull in order to lock the bar in place. It won't fall down, no worries, and I advise you to handle it really next to the elbow. Now you turn it, and you're gonna take the chain and you're gonna put the level into the shortest position, but that there is no too much tension. With the bar, you put it in here and you close the support. Now with the safe, you put the safe in place so that it doesn't fall out while you are rolling. The same operation needs to be done on the other hand.